I'm going to show you how to design and create the perfect food menu for your business. All you have to do is click the link below in the comments or in the description of this video. It will give you instant access to the course itself, the course that we've spent months of our hard work and spare time creating, using all of our expertise and experience and 20+ years of working in the hospitality industry, being restaurant owners, catering company owners, new product development chef and consultant chefs, and working in multiple establishments as chefs. We've galvanized all this information, we've put it into this course, and it's amazing. It's packed full of information. It's got formulated, automated spreadsheets to teach you and show you how to price up your ingredients, your dishes, and your whole menu correctly. It's got how to find and source all the appropriate ingredients based on seasonal activities, and it shows you where you can find them, what to use with what sort of demographic research that we're going to do. It also has a section of actually teaching people how to design its menu with IT skills as well. So it's not just the food side of stuff you're going to learn, you're actually going to learn a lot of technical computer literation as well, which is an amazing thing to learn in this day and age. We also have one-to-one support via the QR code that you can access, then scan with your phone and get instant messenger one-to-one support with me and my team. We're here to help you create the perfect food menu for your business. So click that link below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future and more interactive and learnable resources via this channel. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in class. Bye bye.